Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. I have another special unboxing video, I do believe. I'm not sure where this is coming from, but look at all the tape job. I'm surprised they allowed that, because they usually yelled at me for back in the day for taping like that, but I don't know. It's kind of interesting. Hopefully everyone had a good day so far. Everybody is safe. And of course, if you like this item, all you gotta do is add it to your cart and check out now. I'm not sure what this... Okay. Alright. C2. Yeah, this is definitely Amazon. So my affiliate link will be down below. And you guys can check them out. And this is coming from my good friends over at Lepow. Here we go. 15-inch monitor. Portable. Now, you can hook up your Xboxes, Nintendo Switch, any retro system, and you're going to have amazing picture quality, because these monitors are really nice. Hook it up to your Chromebook, your Apple, your laptop, pretty much anything. It's always good to have an extra monitor around. And this is what you get. You get a extra protector for the screen. I'm not going to need that one, because this will be mostly indoors. I'm not going anywhere with it. And you got the USB, Type C. And we got here the charger. This is garbage. And then now, here's the rest of the goodies. You get an HDMI cord. That's right. I think this is a one. Or no, this is USB. And this is the HDMI. Yep. But excellent quality. And here's another cable. And you get some screen wipes to wipe it down. And I got that covered. And that's it. Yep. That is all, folks, for that one. Next, we're going to set it up. And we got to put this together. I got to bring my Chromebook out. I was watching something on YouTube, one of my old videos to test out the picture quality, but really nice to have. And this one's different because of the, I believe, the kickstand. It's already like flush mounted in. Yeah, see, it's really nice. They got the controls right here: escape, plus, minus, return to the menu, headphone jack, HDMI over here. So you have power, USB, and all that good stuff. Printer cable, I think that was. So you can have a small mini setup for your office, you know. Use this for crypto or stocks or NFT designing, you know. Or just watch movies. Now everything's got an app for it, so you can watch TV. You can watch a couple games on this. So really nice looking. But everything looks amazing, though. This is the Lepow C2 series. We'll be right back. Alright, guys, we got it all set up. Sorry about the glare from the lights, but it is working really nice. Nice and clear. Let me cut those lights off. You're kind of in the way. And then you can see it for yourself. turn it off right about now. There we go. Yeah, see, look at that. Much better. And watch the picture move, and you can see how it looks. Here comes the sound. So I just got it running off the Chromebook, and that's about it. Sorry about that, I had a phone call. But now, you can see how it looks. Nice colors. Looking good. Lepow 15.6 portable monitor. Really nice. Now I can manage video games on it. Pretty much anything. Watch some movies, sports, especially with the NBA playoffs, NHL playoffs, wrestling you can watch on it. Do some video editing. Check on your crypto. Do NFT drawings. As an extra monitor. Always good to have one. So, but this has the hookups, everything included. All you gotta do is click that link down below, add it to your cart. Really cool, guys. Alright, YouTubers, check them out. Lepow. Be safe. Have a good night.